Please all participants open batch 95 working directory. In our previous classes, we have done work on how to read, write, edit, and how to generate a script with the help of ChatGPT or any other AI tool. Today we will start statistics from start. So at first step, you just understand, listen and understand, and then I will give you time for practice. So please first understand and don't do anything, just watch and understand. Today topic is statistics. So in statistics, we start from descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics. I will perform a statistical analysis in front of you and then I will give you task. For example, I will perform descriptive statistics and give you task for t-test or other analysis or maybe for descriptive statistics. So when you want to perform any statistical analysis, four questions should be arised in your mind. Before performing any statistical analysis, you need to clear these four questions. Question number one. For example, today your supervisor say perform descriptive statistics. The first question, what is descriptive statistics? Although it is very simple, but in your real life or in your research work, maybe you face some new analysis, maybe some other type of analysis you face, which you have listened first time. So you need to follow these four questions. Question number one, what is descriptive statistics? If your question is perform SEM, structural equation modeling. So first you need to understand what is SEM. So first question which should be arise in your mind, what is descriptive statistics? Second question, why do we perform? Why do we perform descriptive statistics? Or what statistical descriptive statistics give us about our research? Next is types of descriptive statistics. And last question which we solve, how to arrange a data for descriptive statistics. So before performing any statistical analysis, we need to understand the answer of these four questions. No, you can get the answer of this question from your teacher, from Google, from any book, or from Meta, from ChatGPT, from DeepSeek, any tool you can use for this answer. No, I am going to copy and want to use ChatGPT. So first you will copy three questions. So please first understand, then I will give you time. Three questions, copy, open ChatGPT, new chat, and write a message Please explain and send message to ChatGPT. Paste your questions and send message to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you accurate result. If you want to use Google, you can also use Google, but in on Google, you need to explore 3 or 4 websites for all type of answer. Maybe you will get one answer at one site, other answer from another site, but ChatGPT will provide you all thing at single sheet. So what is descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics is a branch of statistics that summarize, organize in a meaningful way. It deals with presenting raw data into simple, interpretable form through numbers, tables, and graphs. In simple word, it describe your data set. It tell you how many variables are found in your data set, how much the mean of first variable, second variable, what is the mode of your data, what is the median of your data set, what is the standard deviation of your data set, what is the skewness of your data set. In short, it describes the main feature of data set without making prediction or inferences. So just describe your data. It is not an advanced tool. For you are unable to use it for prediction or other inferences or inferential statistics. So it's just a simple and just give you summary of your data set. Why do we perform descriptive statistics? We perform descriptive statistics because simplification. It reduces large volume of data into meaningful summaries. Instead of showing 10,000 students marks, you report the average and standard deviation. Clarity. Help understand patterns, trends, and distributions in data. Comparisons makes easier to compare groups. For example, you want to compare male and female, it will show you mean value. You can easily compare between male and female values. Foundation for further analysis. It is not our advanced analysis, but very important for advanced analysis like t-test, like ANOVA, like regression. So it will provide you base for other type of analysis. Type of descriptive statistics. There are 3 main type of descriptive statistics, but here described into 2 categories, mostly 3 categories. Number 1, measure of central tendency, measure of dispersion, and measure of distribution and shape. Here 4 things are defined, but 4 is graphical or tabular methods. So 3 things are, first is measure of central tendency. In central tendency, you can find mean, you can find median, you can find mode. In measure of dispersion, you can find range, you can find variance, you can find standard deviation and interquartile range. And third is measure of distribution or shape. These show how data is distributed, like show you skewness of your data set and kurtosis value of your data set. So skewness show you symmetry of the data distribution, and while kurtosis show you pickedness or flatness of distributions. Now, next step is I am going to send this information with you. You can read for your understanding. Okay, next step is we have solved 3 questions. What is descriptive statistics? Why do we need descriptive statistics? And types of descriptive statistics. Now, next step is How to arrange data set for descriptive statistics. So I will write another question here or another message. Thanks. No, I need sample data table for each type of descriptive statistics. Now I need sample data table. So three words are very important. Sample data table. So that you can arrange your data set according to this sample data, this dummy data. It is very easy to arrange according to sample data. So I will send a message. ChatGPT will give me a sample data for descriptive statistics. So sample data for simple calculation. Here is the results also. ChatGPT give me, but give only one variables. But in real life, we have many variables in our data set. So I will write here a message. Thanks. My field of study is plant science, so I will write a message. Thanks. I need sample data for plant science and for multiple variables. Multiple variables. It will show me sample data for multiple variable. So now you can check sample data set. First is plant ID, variety, fertilizer, height, leaf area, chlorophyll, and yield. If your field of study is economics, you will write a message here. Thanks. No, I need for economics. It will give you sample data for economics. Now you can check almost data is arranged same way. Just variable name change, values are changed. So if you have a data set like a ficus data set, it's good for all type of statistical analysis. Where you need minor changes, ChatGPT will suggest you after checking your STR. Okay. Now here is the sample data for economics. If my field of study is mathematics, I will type here mathematics. Now it will give me sample data for mathematics. Okay. No, I want to do practice on this data. So I will write a message. Thanks. No, I need this data in Excel sheet. It will give you sample data in Excel sheet. You can download this data set and can do practice for descriptive statistics. First, I will perform descriptive statistic and then I will send data and you also perform. Now here is the downloadable mathematic performance dataset. Click on this. It will give you a Excel file which is downloadable. Select your working directory batch 95 and save this data in this folder. Now come to our import your file. Import this file. Click on Excel from Excel. Select your file come to your working directory folder, and here is the file name mathematics performance data. Click on this. It will give you a preview, and if you want to change sheet, you can click here. It will show you all available sheet on your data. If you want to import sheet number 5, click here. Click here on sheet option. It will give you list. Select sheet number which you want to import. Now by default sheet number 1 will work, so I will click on import button. No file is available in my screen number 1. So next step, I will take str and mathematics, select file name, take str, copy, and open ChatGPT and write a message. Thanks. Now I want to perform descriptive statistics in R. And no, write more descriptions. I need results in Word file, publication ready, table, and publication ready plots, and send message. It is showing me Python script, but I want to perform in R. So I will write a message here. Please write R script. No script is completed in my site. Script is both for plot and publication ready table. All type of plots based on descriptive statistics. Okay, now copy, open R, paste here, and run. One by one from start. Yes. So here is the title name descriptive statistics, purpose create publication ready descriptive statistics and plots for mathematic dataset and export everything into Word file. Input, output requires. We need these packages for this task. So I will try to install these packages. Okay, next. It's showing me column attendance not found. I will copy and paste here. It's showing us an error. The problem is that in your Excel file, the column names still have space and special characters. So check your data. Yes, we have space between variables names and have special characters also. You have noticed in our ficus file, if there is a space, it is covered with underscore. But there is only few variables are covered with underscore because R does not accept space. So we need to remove space by adding inverted comma around these variables. First, I need to run the script. I will paste here and run. It again showing me attendance does not exist. I need to check. Attendance column is available in our data. Yes, there is attendance percentage, but in our script showing just only attendance. If I add here, or I will give str again with this error, then ChatGPT will correct because ChatGPT is giving me incomplete name without percentage. Yes, no, attendance percentage is correct. Copy and we'll run again. Again showing me attendance. I think A is small, but A is capital. Attendance. I will again copy, provide to ChatGPT, but I think I need to run first these lines. This automatically convert them into safe lowercase names with underscore. So I will copy first script. First I will run this line. No, I need to run next line. I need to provide these results to ChatGPT so that it select correct names of variables. Again, not correcting the script. So if ChatGPT giving you error for multiple times, best option change your script line Now I want to use data analyst, or R is best option if you are using paid version. If you are using free version, just open new chat. So here is the R and R Studio Tutor, Advanced R Coding and Statistical Consultant. I will choose R and R Studio, or Advanced R Code and Statistical Consultant. I will take STR again. Here is the script for STR. STR, copy, and we'll write a message to ChatGPT. I want to perform descriptive statistics in R, also save results in Word file. So for this we need this these packages. So here is the new script, and I will copy the script, open R, will paste and try to run again. I think all packages I have, but there is no package called skimmer. So I will install skimmer. Skimmer install. It will take few seconds. Yes, successfully done. Again library. Again, yes, all are working. Numeric variables, categorical variables, create world report, and print and save. Now I have done all things, and here is the results. Yes, descriptive statistic report in the world file. Click, it will show you results. Here are the results in the form of table. Now if you want to save plots or graph, now you can adjust this table manually, or by using ChatGPT, or by using R. Now next step is I also need its plot. Say thanks. How many types of plots I I can draw on descriptive stat results. Great question. For descriptive statistics, you can visualize both numeric and categorical variables. Each type of variables has its best suited plots. So here is the list. I will write a message. I want to create all and save them in PDF file or Word file, any file format you can give. I have saved table in Word file and want to save plot in PDF file. Now I will copy the script, open R, and will run here. But here is the error in last step. I will copy, and file is also generated. Here is all plots related to descriptive statistics have been created. Just give few are errors. I will copy and paste this error within Zoom, ChatGPT and send message. First, understand this error. Okay, now copy. Paste and run these lines. No need to run next lines. I need to wait until this green dot disappear. Now you can check multiple plots have been created to explain result of descriptive statistics. You can choose plot according to your requirement or according to your research objective. So now please all participant revise these same steps. First step, decide your task. For example, today our task was descriptive statistics. You need to ask these 4 questions. Question number 1, what is descriptive statistics? Descriptive statistics. Second question, why do we perform descriptive statistics? And third is types of descriptive statistics. And fourth is how to arrange our data for descriptive statistics. So it is your task now. Please complete this task before next class. In our next class, we will do work for some more statistical analysis for practice. So in this way, you can apply any statistical analysis with the help of AI and R easily. Okay, clear? If you have any question, you are allowed to ask.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I want to ask when we will ask ChatGPT this question, then we can ask about our own topic, or we can ask generally, like you mentioned that now I want to perform descriptive statistic in R. Like we can mention like our own topic, or how we can do this
Yes.
the
No.
same way, or we
You
can
need
do for
no
our
no.
own.
You first decide your analysis name. For
Mm-hmm.
example, If you check your course content, I am
Okay.
sending again within group so that you can repeat all these. It is for batch 98. Now I am sending the list within your group.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So check your first statistical analysis is exploratory data analysis, EDA, including
Oh,
summary, statistic, mean, median. Next is
okay, sir.
data analysis and visualization. We have done this step already. We have visualized many type of plots. Module number 3, statistical analysis. First is descriptive statistics. Today we have
Okay.
performed descriptive statistics. Next is inferential statistics, including t-test, z-test, chi-square test, f-test. Next is hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing
Oh,
mean ANOVA. Next is correlation
okay,
and
sir.
covariance, probability distributions. So when you want to perform the t-test, take str of your dataset and write a message to ChatGPT. I want to perform t-test in R. And you also need to
Okay, sir.
define which type of t-test you want to perform. For example, ANOVA have many types, one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, M ANOVA. ठीक है? So now, if you want to perform two-way ANOVA, you need to define to ChatGPT, I want to perform two-way ANOVA. And these are the factors of my dataset. It will write script accordingly. If you want to perform t-test, you will write a message. Thanks. No, I want to perform t-test. It will give you script for t-test. And if you define type of t-test, it will give you specific type. If you don't mention any type, it will give you by default. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Clear. Sir, I have another question.
Yes.
When you want to start the meta-analysis course?
Meta-analysis. Hopefully, no, you are able to perform meta-analysis also. Have you any data about meta-analysis?
Actually, I want to understand, like
Okay.
the
You
tricks
just
and tips, like
okay.
how to collect the data quickly.
Yes. If you come to ChatGPT,
Okay.
just type simple here. Thanks. Ask four question. What is meta-analysis?
Okay.
Sorry. Second question. Why do we perform meta-analysis? And types of meta-analysis. And last is sample data. It
Okay.
will it will explain each and everything about. For example, here is the meta-analysis. Meta-analysis is the statistical method for systematically combination the results of multiple independent studies on the same research questions to get more precise and reliable estimates of overall effects. So here it's key features why meta-analysis is useful and then types of meta-analysis. So these are the types of meta-analysis. Now we need a sample
Okay.
data, or I will write how I collect data for meta-analysis. It will give you all things. Excellent question. This is the core step in conducting a meta-analysis, unlike normal experiments. So step number 1, you need to follow this step and perform.
Okay.
Hopefully you will do meta-analysis without any course, just following no instruction on ChatGPT.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
okay. Try
Okay.
this.
Thank you so much.
Okay, try this on with the help of ChatGPT. Otherwise, if you are unable to perform or confused, then you can join my course.
Okay, sir.
But first try this, because in meta-analysis the main thing is R. No, you are
Okay,
able
sir.
to run R. Okay. Other things are
Okay.
just
Thank you.
roots. You can get help from books. You can get help from Google. you can search from ChatGPT.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.